Hey, this is Mike Moon. This video shows you how to exchange your AMC silver and gold tickets to black. If you didn't already know, AMC gold and silver tickets are no longer being accepted at all AMCs across the US. So if you see them for sale in 2019, don't risk buying them. I bought a bunch from Costco many years ago and found out in theater that they can't be used. While they won't give you a refund in AMC, here's how you can get a replacement. Use your smartphone and take good quality legible pictures of the front and the back of your tickets, making sure that the barcode and numbers are visible. Attach those in an email and send them over to goldsilver@amctheaters.com. Be sure to include your mailing address so they know where to send the replacements. And once AMC get those, they will reissue a comparable black or yellow ticket for use in one of their theaters. You have to be patient though. It took me 2 to 3 weeks to get mine, while some other people have reported 4 to 6 weeks to get theirs. I guess some of it might depend on how many they have. Please comment down below how the exchange goes for you. And in the meantime, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.